Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1, 10th question. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. First, let me explain the meaning of the question. Solution. Look at this question. There are 3 points. This one and these two. Okay. Let me name these points as P, Q and R. And the point xy, it is equidistant to the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. What is the meaning of this? It means the point xy, it is equidistant to the point 3, 6 and to the point minus 3, 4. Means the distance between these two, it is equal to the distance between these two. Let me name this point as P, Q and R. Since Q it is equidistant to the point P and to the point R, PQ is equal to QR. Isn't it? PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. It is given in the question. Since the point xy is equidistant to the point 3, 6 and to the point minus 3, 4, we can write that PQ is equal to QR. Okay. Then, what we have to find out? We have to find out the relation between x and y. To find out the relation between x and y, we can take the help of this condition. Okay. First, let us find out the distance between the point PQ. Distance between the points PQ. The coordinate of P is 3, 6 and the coordinate of Q is x, y. Okay. Now let us find out the distance between PQ by using the distance formula. PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the formula to use to find out the distance between the 2 points, right? See, look at this. This is our x1. This is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. Let us substitute these values here. Okay. PQ is equal to square root of bracket open x2. The value of x2 is x minus x1. The value of x1 is 3. The whole square. For this plus, let us write plus bracket open y2. The value of y2 is y minus y1. The value of y1 is 6. Y minus 6 the whole square. And this is the distance between the point PQ. Okay. The distance between the PQ is square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. So for further simplification, we need this value. So I am not going to rub this. Okay. Now let us find out the distance between QR. QR. The coordinate of Q is x, y and the coordinate of R is minus 3, 4. Let us find out the distance between QR by using the distance formula. That is, again, the distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Now, this one, this is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. Isn't it? Therefore, QR is equal to square root of bracket x2. The value of x2 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus x1. x1 is x. The whole square plus bracket y2. The value of y2 is 4. 4 minus y1. The value of y1 is y. Y the whole square. This is the distance between the point QR. Okay. This is the distance between the point PQ and this is the distance between the point QR. But look at the condition. PQ is equal to QR. Means we can write that square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square is equal to square root of minus 3 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus y the whole square. Isn't it? So let us write that. Okay. Let me rub this. Look at this PQ. The distance between PQ is square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Okay. Is equal to QR. The distance between QR is square root of minus 3 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus y the whole square. Okay. Now let me rub this one. Now we have to simplify, right? So first let us remove this square root. How to remove this square root? By squaring on both the sides, isn't it? Do the squaring on both sides. Why we are doing this? To remove this square root. That is square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Look at this. Is equal to the square root minus 3 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus y the whole square. Whole square. Now look at this. This square root and this square, it will get cancelled, isn't it? This square root and this square, it will get cancelled. Now what is left? X minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square is equal to minus 3 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus y the whole square. This is left. And we have to simplify this. Now look at this carefully. X minus 3 the whole square. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square. Isn't it? Let me do it here. X minus 3 the whole square. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square. Right? What is the formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore, x minus 3 the whole square can be written as a square is what? X square plus b square means what? 3 the square, that is 9, minus 2 into a into b means 2 into x into 3, that is 6x, isn't it? X minus 3 the whole square, we can write it as x square plus 9 minus 6x. Now look at this. Y minus 6 the whole square. This is also in the form of a minus b the whole square. Therefore, we can write it as a square means what? Y square plus b square, that is 6 square, that is 36, minus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into y into 6, that is 12y. Okay. So, this y minus 6 the whole square, we can write it as y square plus 36 minus 12y. Let me write here x minus 3 the whole square. We can write it as x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y minus 6 the whole square. We can write it as y square plus 36 minus 12y. Okay, is equal to. Now again, minus 3 minus x the whole square. Minus 3 minus x the whole square. Here also it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. But you must be very careful here. In the place of a, we have minus 3. In the place of a, what we have? Minus 3. And in the place of b, we have x. Okay? Look at this. Minus 3. Therefore, a square. How can you write? A square means what? Minus 3 the square. Minus 3 the square is what? Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. A square plus b square. B square is x square. Minus 2 into a into b. Okay? That is 9 plus x square minus 2 3s are 6 into x. But minus into minus is plus 6x. Okay? Therefore, minus 3 minus x the whole square is 9 plus x square plus 6x. Now let me rub this. Okay? Now look at this. 4 minus y the whole square. 4 minus y the whole square. It is also in the form of a minus b the whole square. And in the place of a, we have 4. And in the place of b, we have y. So, a square. 4 minus y the whole square, we can write it as a square. That is 4 the square. Is what? 16. Plus b square. That is y square. Minus 2 into a into b. That is 2 into 4. Is what? 8 into y. Okay? Okay? Now look at this. Minus 3 minus x the whole square means we can write it as 9 plus x square plus 6x. For this plus, let us write plus. 4 minus y the whole square. We can write it as 16 plus y square minus 8y. Okay? Now we have written this. Let me continue here. So I am going to rub this. You can copy down. Now look at this. I will write it as x square plus y square. Okay? X square plus y square. Plus 9 plus 36. Plus 9 plus 36 is what? Plus 45. Plus 45. Minus 6x minus 12y. Let me write as it is. Minus 6x minus 12y. For this is equal to symbol, let us write is equal to. 9 plus 16 is how much? 25. Okay? 25. Plus x square plus 6x plus y square minus 8y. Okay? Now let me rub this one. Now let me write these terms as it is. X square plus y square plus 45 minus 6x minus 12y. Now, when this plus 25, it will cross this is equal to sign. It will become minus 25. Okay? Plus x square. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus x square. Plus 6x. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 6x. Plus y square. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus y square. Minus 8y. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus 8y is equal to 0. Okay. Now, plus x square minus x square, it will get cancelled. Plus y square minus y square. It will get cancelled. Now look at this. Minus 6x. Minus 6x minus 6x is how much? Minus 12x. Okay. Plus 45 minus 25 is how much? Plus 20. Plus 20. Now which is left? This one. Minus 12y plus 8y is how much? Minus 4y, isn't it? Minus 12y plus 8y is minus 4y is equal to 0. Now let us multiply this equation by minus, because for the x we have minus symbol. So let me multiply the whole equation by minus symbol. Okay. Multiply by minus. Then when we will multiply it by minus, it will become plus 12x. Okay. Plus 12x minus 20 plus 4y is equal to 0. Now look at this. 12, 20 and 4. 12, 20 and 4. Which is common? 4 is common in all. So let me divide the whole equation by 4. Therefore, 12 by 4 is how much? 4 3s are 12. 3x minus 20 divided by 4 is how much? 5. 4 5s are 20. Then 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. That is y is equal to 0. So how can we write this equation? 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Or you can write it as 3x plus y is equal to, when this minus 5, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus 5. Okay. This is the relationship between the points x and y. When they will ask the relationship between the points, you will get in the equation form. Okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you.